Hello boys and girls, today we're talking again about the number 7. We're going to practice counting groups of objects and we're going to practice writing the number 7. So the first thing you need to do is get your math workbook page out. It's lesson 3.4. It says up here at the top, and you're going to need your pencil and you're going to put your name on it. Now I'm using a marker because it shows up a little better for you all on the video, but you need to be using a pencil. That way if we make any mistakes or need to correct something, we can erase. So I'll give you just a second to get this and get your name on the top. And when you've done that, you can put your finger on this first yellow cube. We're going to touch and count these together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yellow cubes. We're going to trace this row of 7s. For 7, you go across, slant down to the left. Across, slant down to the left. Trace that row of 7s with your pencil. Try to stay right on top of that dotted line. When you get that row of 7s traced, put your finger on that first cowboy hat, and we're going to touch and count those together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cowboy hats. Here is the number word 7. S-E-V-E-N. Ooh, sorry guys. Let's trace that together. Alright, when you get that word copied, traced, you can turn over to the inside to the page that looks like this. And we're looking for sets of 7 objects. The first thing I think I see is these horses. Let's count and see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 horses. So I'm going to circle all those carousel horses. That's one set of 7. I want you to see what other sets of 7 you can find and circle them with your pencil. What other sets of 7 objects do you see in this picture? You might check the trees, the bushes, the flags. See what other sets of 7 you can find and circle them. We're going to turn over to this page. Put your finger on the yellow sun. What number is this? 7. Let's trace that row of 7s. Across, slant down to the left. Alright, down here at the bottom, we're going to count each set of objects and write the number that tells how many. Let's do this first one together, and then I'm going to let you do these other 3 on your own to practice. Okay? So let's count these bunnies together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bunny rabbits. So on the line, I'm going to write a 7. I'm going to go across, slant down to the left. Now I want you to count these balloons, bowling pins, and cowboy hats and write how many beside each. Give you just a few minutes to do that. When you're done, you can turn on the back. We're going to do kind of like a mid-chapter checkpoint. Just see what we've learned so far in this new chapter of numbers 6 to 9. So put your finger on the red apple. This is going to kind of be a little quiz. So I'm just going to give you the directions, and then you're going to do it on your own. I want you to use this 5 frame in the space below to draw me counters to show the number 7, and then write a 7 on the line. So you're going to draw 7 counters, and then write a 7 on the line. When you're done with that, you can put your finger on the yellow sun, count those pinwheels, and write how many. Put your finger on the green leaf, count those rubber duckies, and write how many on the line. Put your finger on the blue flower. Count these whistles and then color in the circle under the number that tells how many. All right. right, I hope you did your best work on that little checkpoint, that little quiz. Next week we will start talking about the numbers 8. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Next week is Thanksgiving week. We'll just be doing Thanksgiving activities then. And then the week after that, we'll be doing the numbers 8 and 9. Talk to you all later.